Well, you guys, it's me, Trudy. Hey, so I am going to go ahead and turn you guys around, but I wanted to give you guys just a quick update of everything that I have done so far. I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to let you know. So if you guys don't know, and I know I've said this many times, but my daughter lived with me. Now her daughter and her two children, she went through a divorce, and the oldest one is going to college. So I get my craft room back. I'm really happy that she's going away to college, and she's really excited and ready and just wants to spread her wings and do that. My daughter is taking it a little hard, so I am back in my craft room because this was my daughter's bedroom, and I am going to show you what I did. So before, when I moved here 8 years ago, and in this room it had like a tan color. It was painted as soon as I moved in, and so I didn't paint or anything, but I loved it. I think if you go down my videos, you'll see some old videos of my tour. But you guys, I am painting it. Johnny's putting shelves. I'm gonna redo. I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys around. Hold on. Okay, so these are the colors, and I think, you guys, I wanted kind of like a soft teal, but it ended up being more blue. But I love it. It's more blue gray. Hold on. Okay. So there. So I have to still paint the corners up there. This is what it's looking like. So that was the color before, okay? And here, you guys, I'm not gonna use this as a closet. It's gonna be, he's gonna put a little bit of a counter there, and he's gonna put it high enough so that I can roll the little trolley carts that I have. And so I'm gonna put my trolley carts, and then I'm gonna have, so I want this to be like a sewing area. I'm gonna put my sewing machine in here, and then he's gonna put another shelf, I think, up there. So I'm gonna put another shelf up there. Then I started painting this blue, but I'm gonna paint it white. Yeah, all the shelves are gonna be white because the counter's gonna be white. It's a laminate white counter. And then, so over here, I'm gonna have, well, I'm not gonna tell you guys how I'm gonna do this, but it's gonna be, I'm so excited because over here is gonna be my work area. I have all like IKEA furniture, so it's gonna look so beautiful. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a brief update. I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, so I'm done with the painting. And I'm gonna show you what I'm doing now, you guys. You're gonna be like, what? How are you gonna do that? But the painting came out nice. Okay, hold on. So this is what I have to do. I've already started pulling stuff out, organizing. You guys, this has been an endeavor. All right, so just to give you a little bit of perspective, this is how I have been working and crafting. This wood is about, I don't know, 10 by 12 maybe. This is outside that window, and let's see, you can see, yeah, see right there, you see outside that window is our backyard. And I love being there and crafting and stuff, but you know what? It's gotten old. I need my craft room back, and I need all my supplies in my craft room. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. All of this stuff, you guys, this is what would be like a family area. My tables over here. So yeah. So wish me luck, and just a brief update, you guys. I'm gonna do this by, and then I'm gonna do a video because I did do my giveaway and my birthday challenge and the name change and all of that. and my 1,000 subscriber thing. So I want to go ahead and do an update on that and kind of touch base with you guys. So that'll be coming here pretty soon too. So wish me luck, you guys. This is what I'm dealing with right now. The painting is done. I'll show you guys when it's all complete too, okay? But I'm going to post this so you know why I'm MIA for just a minute. And well, shouldn't say that MIA. You guys are used to me doing that. But this is what's going on. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.